Hare Krishna. So it gives us huge pleasure to be back with you on a video mode. Many devotees were asking, Arey, when are videos again starting? When will we be seeing the Krishna Smaran live again? Because of situations of pandemic and we ourselves going through the pandemic, we could not come to you for a long time. We heartily express our regrets and for the inconvenience. So, with a new chapter and the most important part of Bhagavad Gita, the chapters from 9 to 12. We have seen previously how Bhagavad Gita is like a sandwich. Bhagavad Gita एक सैंडविच के समान है. तो सैंडविच में जैसे ऊपर का ब्रेड लेयर, नीचे का ब्रेड लेयर और स्टफिंग. सो बीच के जो अध्याय हैं, अध्याय क्रमांक 7 से 12, ये स्टफिंग है. इस स्टफिंग का भी सबसे महत्वपूर्ण भाग अब आ रहा है, 9 to 12. So, we are very happy to come to you back again with live videos. So, the first verse of the 9th chapter, which is entitled Most Confidential Knowledge. Krishna says, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Idam tu te guhyatamam Pravakshyami anusuyave Jnana Vijnana Sahitam Yajñatva Mokshase Shubhat. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, My dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most confidential knowledge and realization, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence. So we see Krishna says that this is the most confidential knowledge. Yes. Why confidential? Everybody has Bhagavad Gita. What makes it confidential? To understand it correctly is what is confidential. So we see, just like we have good, better and best degrees, yes. Similarly we have Guhya, secret, Guhyatara, more secret, Guhyatama, the most secret. Yes. So Krishna says that now I'll give you this most confidential secret. So Acharyas explain that this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita basically brings out the concept of soul and how the soul is united with Krishna. Chapter 2 starts the basic of Gita. Yes. I am not the body, I am soul. Chapter 3 to 6 is the Guhya Gyan. The Guhya Gyan of how that soul can come back to Krishna through karma, jnana और ध्यान योग. So अध्याय 2 ये बेसिक है, हर कोई जानता है. Even an atheist says, अरे एक दिन तो सब छोड़ के जाना ही है. तो सब छोड़ के जाना है तो किसको जाना है? ये हर कोई जानता है कि हम शरीर नहीं है, आत्मा है. वो शरीर छोड़ करके आत्मा जब बाहर जाएगा तो भगवान के पास कैसे जाएगा? ये गुह्य ज्ञान. चैप्टर 3 to 6. Chapter 7 and 8 is the Guhyatara, wherein mixed devotional service is explained. And chapter 9 to 12 will be Guhyatama, wherein pure devotional service will be explained. भगवान की शुद्ध भक्ति का वर्णन आएगा. इसलिए भगवान कहते हैं कि ये ज्ञान कैसा है? ज्ञान विज्ञान सहितम. It is knowledge which can be practically experienced. Jnana is theoretical knowledge. Vijnana, Vishishta Rupena Jnana, is practically realizable knowledge. So, Jnana Vijnana Sahitam. And Krishna says, why am I telling you this, O Arjuna? Because you are not envious of me. Pravakshyami anusuyave. This is very important. This knowledge will be understandable only to someone who is a devotee of the Lord, who doesn't want to take the position of the Lord, or he is not envious of the Lord. So we see how Krishna explains in 18.67 and 18.71, two shlokas, how Anusuya, not being envious of Krishna, we'll be discussing this much later when we come to the end of 18th chapter, the end of Gita. But Krishna explains this very beautifully, that unless one is non-envious of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he will never be able to understand this. And when one understands this knowledge, moksha se ashubhat, what is that ashubha? That ashubha is material existence. The existence of punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jathare shayanam. This is what is the most obnoxious thing that is happening. And why it is happening? Because we are not able to realize our actual position as the servants of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So ये ज्ञान जब मिलेगा तो सारे जीवन से अशुभ नष्ट हो जाएंगे. आइए हमारे साथ इस ज्ञान की यात्रा पर चले. So also not to forget that 8th chapter is over, and as always we are up with the quiz link of the 8th chapter of Gita. This link will be up for 4 days, 9.1 to 9.4, and then on 9.6, the 5th day, we'll be declaring the result. So we request you all that just like every time you give us an overwhelming response, please do attempt this quiz and test your nerves. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,